guys, you all requested me for the Easter card, so today I'm posting in
So
Easter
guys,
card
for the
tutorial.
first step we will be taking this A4 size sheet and now we will be folding it into half. So guys, like this, I have folded this into half, and now what you have to do is, out of a hard cover I have made this egg template like this. So I'm just gonna keep it here and I will trace it. So like this I have traced it, and now we have to cut it. So I'll leave this much portion connected. This much I will cut here. Cut this hole. So like this I've cut it out and it's like this. So now what we have to do is, I will be taking a pattern paper. This one, this is from Eno Greeting again, the smaller volume. So now what you have to do is, so this pointed side is the above side, so I will take this much here and now I will just trace it. This much will be perfect. Yes. Now like this I'm tracing this part here, and then we will just cut it out. Cut it out like this, and now with the help of a pattern I will cut this much part out to give it a rusty effect and also to show the egg hatchling coming out. Now remove this part and just stick it like this here. So we'll stick this with the help of a fevi stick here. Like this with the fevi stick I'll do it, and here the extra edge I will cut out, and it's like this, a beautiful one. And now here also do this. So like this I've cut out the below part also, and now I will stick it. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this sheet of 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch, which is 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. Now we are gonna fold it like this. And now we will open it. Do it like this and like this. So it is a bit abnormal, so we'll give this much part here, this much part here. So like this we have to do, and here now with a pencil we will draw a flower like this. And now we are gonna cut this flower out. So now like this I've cut out my flower, and now we will score it out like this. You just have to curl it here. I hope you are liking my new video setting, which is done here, because earlier I used to shoot somewhere else, and there you guys said that we can't see the steps completely. So I hope in this setup you are able to. So now we've done it like this here. So now here in the center with the marker I'll do it like this, and now with the whitener in the center I will make a dot which will enhance its beauty. Now what we have to do is, I am taking this ribbon here, and now I'm gonna just paste it like this. So I will cut it out in some small part. So like this I have stuck it, and now I will stick it here. this ribbon a little here, and now stick the other ribbon also. We will take this open ribbon, apply some glue here, and now like this, just apply it, and here we will paste this also. I've cut this part. And here like this, I am pasting this, and on top of this we will paste the flower. Now I have applied some fairy stick on this area also, and now above this I will paste this flower. And now, so like this, a very beautiful and pretty Easter card is ready. Now we move on to our second Easter card. So guys, now again you have to take this sheet, and out of this you have to make two eggs on this like this. So guys, like this I have traced 2 Easter eggs from my template, and now you just have to cut them out like this. So like this, I told you to cut the Easter eggs. So there are 2 of them and I'm the same size. So now take one of them, and now what I'm going to do is, so guys, like this I have cut out these cute Easter eggs, and now I'm gonna stick some of them randomly at any place. Okay, these eggs are of no size, like I randomly made them. I'm just pasting them for a cute look. So I'm gonna paste orange here again. Here I'm gonna paste yellow. Here green, and here also a green. Now let's see which color is left. Here we have place for one more. So like this, I sticked all the eggs. I think one more can fit here, an orange one. So let's stick it like this, and now we are gonna take our second egg also. Now I'm gonna just now this step is very important, so pay attention. Now on just the corners, please listen guys, just the corners, because the next step is gonna be related to this, so don't apply your mind and just stick it to the corners. So we've sticked it to the corners, only corners पे stick करना है, and now we are gonna cut it from the center. So this part also came out lol, but it's fine, I'll stick it back again. So like this we've cut it out, and we made these pockets here. Make these pockets here like this. And now what you have to do is, so guys, now I have taken this strip of 11 by 5 centimeters, and now what I'm gonna do is gonna apply some glue to this part, and now just I'm gonna stick this inside it. We have made this pocket here, so inside this pocket I've taken this, and now we've sticked it, and this unstick part will go inside here like this. So guys, like this it will come out and go in. So I've taken this part out, and now I'm gonna write
Happy Easter, friends!
So like this, our Easter pop-up card is ready. So everyone will think like, yeah, it's a complete Easter one. And now when we pop this out, they will see Happy Easter. It's like this, a very beautiful greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how is the video. And tell me in the comments how was the card. Till then, bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video.